Hi, everyone. My name is Tanya Hertz. I am the director of the entrepreneurship program at San Diego Miramar College. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about college credit through the Cook Academy program. And so I want to just give you a little bit of information about what it actually means to get college credit, what you need to do to sign up for college credit, the resources available to you, the costs, the process, and the next steps. So first of all, what does it mean to get college credit as part of the Cook Academy program? So anyone who takes the Cook Academy classes, who's eligible for the Cook Academy training, is also eligible to receive college credit for that training. So it's not required in order to get that grant. You don't need to do any additional assignments, or you don't need to attend any additional classes. You can just get college credit for the classes that you do attend, for the assignments that you do submit as part of the Cook Academy training program. And when you do sign up for college credit, you get 3 units of upper division transferable college credit in the form of a class. The class is Business 155, Managing the Small Business. It's an upper division transferable to any California State University or UC system. It counts towards a degree in business or entrepreneurship, and it's essentially 1/3 of a certificate of performance in entrepreneurship at Miramar College. When you sign up for college credit, you also get all of the financial resources that go along with being a student. That includes discounted bus passes and trolley passes. You can check out a laptop for the course of the semester. You may be eligible for financial aid, including all of the federal work study grants, Pell grants, scholarships. There's also state scholarships and grants, and any of the student support services that go along with being a college student as well. That includes things like student health services, learning assistance, counseling services, career support. There's additional resources available to you as well if you're an undocumented student, and we'll provide you with that information if you're interested. So I want to talk to you about the costs. If you sign up to receive college credit, you do need to pay for the class. Now, because it is through the state of California at the community college system, you pay for the cost of a community college class. And as long as you're a California resident, that's $46 per unit. So that for a 3-unit class is $138. This doesn't include an optional $2 per semester student representation fee and an optional $17 per semester student health fee. Now, most students typically don't actually end up paying anything out of pocket if they apply for and qualify for financial aid. You do need to apply for financial aid, though. You need to either apply for financial aid or pay that tuition, that $138 tuition, by the first week of classes. So what do you do to register? So there's a couple of things that you can do to get the ball rolling. You can apply right now to Miramar College, and we'll provide you with that link. It's sdmiramar.edu. You want to scroll down and click apply. And then you also want to create your My SDCCD account. And that's about as far as you need to go. We'll help you with the rest. We'll help you to actually add that 155 course, and we'll talk to you about how to do that in that Cook Academy training. So for now, let us know that you want college credit. Again, you don't need to actually add the class now. You can apply for the college, apply for the SDCCD account. And understand that you don't have to do any additional classes. You don't have to do any additional assignments to get that college credit. You're doing it anyways through the Cook Academy grant in Learn World. So I hope this was helpful for you. I hope all of you take advantage of this this new system and the new process. And I hope to get to know all of you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.